What's good, YouTube? So this is going to be a little weird video where it's going to be a review of the tint that I got on the car. I'm going to show you some background footage, some before and some after. So let me show you this real quick so that we can get to the rest of the video. Hold on. Guess I did a decent job with it. It's been good. Probably wondering why'd I get it tinted, how much tint is it? So this is 20% tint. I got it tinted at this shop right here, Midnight Tint. And my overall review of the place is that it was pretty good. It was fast.
I'm fast as fuck.
Affordable.
With cars! I'm sick of worrying about the government! I can't eat! I'm broke!
And the tint looks good, and they have like lifetime warranty, so if there's anything wrong with the tint, I can go back. So I'll link them in the description, and I'll put a picture of their IG right here. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some slow-mo clips, show you some before clips, show you some after clips, show you the behind the scenes, and you pretty much let me know what you think. I'm kind of starting to gear my channel based off the GR since I'm focusing on that. So the next mod I'm thinking is rain guards or front splitter. I don't know yet. Or these $450 side skirt canard type of things. I don't even know how to explain. They're like fender vents really. But yeah, so this was a review of tinting my GR86, 20% all around, plus a sun strip. Quick speed round is went to Midnight Tint, 20% ceramic. They only charge like $400 to do the headlights, the taillights, both doors, the rear door, and the sun strip. 6 things. That's not bad. They did it in 1 day, and like any tint, the cure time is 2 days, so can't roll your windows up for 2 days. But let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think should be the next mod. It's Dino.